Tired of waking up bloated, tired, or just off? One small thing you eat before bed could completely change how your gut works overnight. And no, it's not a supplement or magic detox. Stay till the end to find out what to eat, when to eat it, and why it works so fast. Your gut doesn't shut down when you sleep. In fact, it does some of its most important work at night. Your microbiome resets, your gut lining repairs, and your body clears out toxins. But it can't do any of that if you're feeding it the wrong stuff, or nothing at all. Most people sabotage their gut at night without knowing it. Late-night snacks like chips, sweetened yogurt, or alcohol spike blood sugar cause inflammation and mess with your digestion. That means instead of repairing, your gut just struggles. No sugar, no processed carbs, no fake fiber. So what should you eat? Try this gut-repairing night drink. 1. 1 cup of warm, unsweetened almond milk. 2½ teaspoon turmeric. 3 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 4. Pinch of ginger. 5. Optional. ½ teaspoon raw honey, mainly as taste enhancer. Stir the mixture up. Sip it slowly before bed. This combo calms the gut, fights inflammation, and promotes a healthy gut lining while you sleep. Golden milk aids gut repair overnight. Turmeric reduces inflammation inside your gut. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, key at night. Ginger soothes your digestive tract. And honey feeds your beneficial bacteria, if you include it. Together, they create the perfect healing environment while you sleep. Want to boost this even more? Stop eating 3 hours before bed. Let your body focus on healing instead of digesting a late-night meal. Add this drink, dim the lights, and you've got a natural gut reset routine that works. Try it for 7 nights straight. Here's what most people notice. Less bloating in the morning, better sleep. Regular digestion, even clearer skin. Because your gut isn't just digestion, it's everything. Do this tonight. Your gut will thank you tomorrow. And if you want more easy, science-backed health tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Try it tonight and subscribe for more gut hacks.